tough out there, I know. So do something you love before you go. Jump in the water, one last hurrah. Stay close to those who make you who you are. Life will surely pass us by. Storms and floods come like the tide. I'm ready to go, my friend, so climb aboard. Stick with me, we'll hit the water. Miami to the Bahamas. Who knows where this boat will take us? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not too damn bad for an old man, sailing on this sea the best I can. You keep me floating with your love. We don't need a roadmap for this one, no. Life will surely pass us by. Storms and floods come like the tide. I'm ready to go, my friend, so climb aboard. Stick with me, we'll hit the water. Miami to the Bahamas. Who knows where this boat will take us? Who knows where this boat will take us? Do something you love, do something you love, do something you love, do something you love. Life will surely pass us by. Storms and floods come like the tide. I'm ready to go, my friend, so climb aboard. Stick with me, we'll hit the water. Miami to the Bahamas. Who knows where this boat will take us? Whoa, who knows where this boat will take us? Who knows where this boat will take us? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What's up, my friends? Sailor Moai here. I hope y'all are doing good out there in YouTube land. After many rounds of sanding and barrier coat and sanding, barrier coat and sanding, everything, I got a first coat of white on the bottom of my cockpit, and I'm so ready to get out there in the water. You just don't know. But yeah, there it is. There's the bottom. Another coat in 12 hours or so, and I'll be ready to move it out to the boat. And everybody ought to be back from their fishing trips by then, and we'll jump on that thing and get it put together, see if it fits. Yeah, get that done, get it in, flip it over, put it in the boat, and put seats in, hinges on, my side skirts down the sides, got to do those. Put table on, put all my electronics, start wiring everything up. And I got to come up with some plugs, stainless steel plugs, to solder my wires going to each hole so I can unplug it and take it apart. And I can leave the wiring inside both holes and leave the wiring in there and just unplug from both sides. And I'm already gonna have one coming back from the solar panels to the batteries. So all of that's gotta be put in there too. So still got a lot of work to do, but the big stuff is I get this done, I'll move on to the back deck and get it finished up and start doing some wiring and stuff on this thing. I guess I'll pitch a tent out there over the cockpit till I get the top done and get that wired up, everything. So yeah, that's what I'm doing this week. still looking good. Everything's cool. You know, I did a little fishing last week. You know, you gotta do something you love all the time. Don't wait. But yeah, we did pretty good. A lot of fish caught, had fun, and that's something we do every year, and really enjoy it. But yeah, won't be long. I'll have this thing in the water. Y'all stick with me. Keep giving them thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you guys again next week, and hopefully I'll have something new and exciting to show you next week. And
Do something you love.
do something you love.
Do something you love. Do something you love. Life will surely pass us by. Storms and floods come like the tide. I'm ready to go, my friend, so climb aboard. Stick with me, we'll hit the water. Miami to the Bahamas. Who knows where this boat will take us? Whoa, who knows where this boat will take us? Who knows where this boat will take us? Whoa.